Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp icon missing from home screen. Let's get started. First, swipe up from your home screen to open the app drawer. This is where all your installed apps are located. Scroll to the list and look for WhatsApp. If you find it, simply tap and hold the icon, then drag it back to your home screen. If you can't find WhatsApp in the app drawer, it might be disabled. To fix that, open your settings, then apps, then go to WhatsApp. If you see an option that says enable, tap it. This will restore the app and its icon back to your phone. If the icon is still missing, go to Google Play Store, search for WhatsApp and install or update. This refreshes the app and brings the icon back automatically to your home screen. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.